All the way from Juneau, Virginia. It's the redness! Yay! I'm working on my intro, watch me flow. I got the kendama and I do that yo yo yo, and I'm gonna do it right now. Edit. Sometimes things don't work out. Okay, gunslinger. That works so good with this. Let's try again. Alright, whatever. Pretend like I meant to do this. Hasbro Jones in the place to be. He be sitting most patiently. Yeah, gunslinger's hard. Oops. I guess it is skipping. That kind of sucks. I didn't want to have to do this intro again. This is sloppy, whatever this is. Yeah, I deserve that. They can't all be winners. This intro is not a winner. Try again. It's supposed to be a video game tutorial. Oh. I missed that one. Oh well. one trick. And some fancy lighting. I gotta get fancy lighting. Earth turn. Fuck it. Budget. I mean, look at that. Long kendama video for no reason. I should cut that out. Earth turns for chumps. They can do them, I guess. That's all kind of tangled up. Look at that. Chump turns. Got it. All that for Earth turn. I gotta reevaluate my life goals, I'll tell you what. I did something cool. What I did was something cool, I don't know. Oh, here it is. I like science and stuff, right? Watch this. That's a wall. Oh, I just fudged this up real nice. Ain't that about a motherfucker? This right here. Look. This right here is a little thing I got at the eyeglasses place. It's one of those fractal type things, kaleidoscopes. I turn it backwards, put on this cool light, and does stuff. Watch this. Makes cool patterns. Okay, it does not look as cool as it does right. Okay, that's not. It's not looking as cool. Y'all see it in there? Put up here. Y'all see it now? There you go. That's the pattern it's supposed to be making. Kind of neat. It looks way cool on the floor. Can y'all see it on the ceiling? It's a real cool pattern on the ceiling. Okay, y'all can see it on the ceiling. Look at y'all. Okay, hey, that's a good tablet. Alright. See that? I'm going to try to put that on top of it. I don't know if that's right. That's not kicking as much of that. Okay, hold on. There you go. How to make a lens. Oh, fractals, baby. Oh, I'm tripping out. Look at me. Woo. I got more colors. Whatever color this is. Oh. Oh, we be clubbing up in here. Whoa. That's one color. Here comes a red one. Let's see what happens. Oh, look at the kaleidoscopic fractals. Woo. Oh, what? Boom. 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 Look at that. That's pretty cool. Let's try the blue one. Hey, Mom, look, I'm sciencing. Watch me science. I'm a sciencing. And now it's on my face. I'm sciencing. Look at this. Woo. Okay, that's not exactly working. Oh. Eyeballs. That's the science portion of this thing. I just showed you how to science. It was fun. Okay, that is not how that works at all. Here I come and I do it again. Got a fresh light bulb in. Fresh light bulb in? I got a bumping light bulb. Oh, y'all can't see me now? Oh, maybe you see me a little bit later. Let's show you my new system. Woo! Okay, I'm assuming that's in the camera. It's the Knucklebox 64. You heard it here first. Kinda. I don't know. Anywho, it's time to break open that bad boy and see what we got going on. Lights. Alright. I noticed my last camera angle was kind of shitty. I mean, sucky. Whatever the politically correct term is for it, was horrible. We got to get me up in here with y'all up in here. You know what I'm saying? Oh, if I put it over here, y'all be up in here and I'll be up in there. Oh, give me 1 second. Hey, guess what? I got an intruder. Give me 1 second. As I cut everything down. Yeah. Alright, sorry about the interruption, guys. It happens. People need the cheesecake, let me tell you. I understand that kind of feels. I need some cheesecake every once in a while, too. Speaking about cheesecake, not in hold on. We're gonna be reviewing we're gonna be reviewing this game today. Now I read on the back it says grab a chainsaw and prepare to grind one out. The twisted minds of Suda51 and famed Hollywood director James Gunn collaborate to deliver a titillating ride into a zombie-infested bloodbath. Is that the same James Gunn that got in trouble for some tweets? Leave a comment if that's the same James Gunn that got in trouble with some tweets. I don't watch Hollywood and I have no idea what the hell is going on. But this game looks kind of cool. I think Terry would approve. I'm gonna play it on the Knucklebox. Let's see what happens. Watch this. This is gonna eject. Y'all gonna like it. Oh, we gotta turn the Knucklebox on. Hold up. Hold up. Okay, the Knucklebox is now on. It's time. The Knucklebox ain't on. There's the lights. there's the lights. You see that? I'm proud of this. This is the kind of sense of humor I have. I'm fucking proud of this. Y'all like it? Let's see this. Oh, hello. Y'all got problems. Let's see how my Terry shirt looks in the glowing. Oh, look, Terry's glowing now. Uh-oh. Yo, that's cool. That is cool. I amaze myself sometimes. Sometimes I do good stuff. Other times, not so much. Who are you to judge? The judgment police? Oh, good job, judge. Make judge you something? Go judge somewhere else. Hear ye. Ricky sucks. Say aye. The ayes have it. Well, wonderful. Go eye yourself. You know what I'm saying? Terry Davis told me eyes for plebes. So I believe that. Don't know what he meant, but, who knows. That's a Terry, Alright, so we're going to take this light now. I've been trying to set this thing up for a hot second here. We ain't doing so hot. I'm still trying. I gotta get good camera angles, I can't get Terry Davis camera angles, but I can fucking try my best. Put that over there. I just sat on my tablet a hot second ago. That was not fun. I see people can do that. I think this right here, that's a water. That just fell over. Hey, look, check this out. I made a table out of this person. That used to be a joke. Lampshades and all that. Well, I made a table. Whatever. I don't know what that joke means, but it don't sound too funny, but this kind of sounds a little bit hilarious. Alright, so we're going to take this thing here. The hard drive's broken. It's not but a tablet stand for right now. We're going to get this in there with me, and then we're going to be playing these video games. It's going to be awesome. Oh, I got to get a nice shot of the me and the, light that bad boy up. We're not having, oh, yeah, we got to get that system in there, baby. Whew. Now we play with another fucking nigga. What? Drop the damn cheese. Yeah. And now that's doing that. Oh, I'm sitting on the remote control. Ain't this a man? I hate making YouTube videos sometimes. I'm not good at it. One day I'll be better and not sit on the remote. Earlier I sat on my damn tablet and I just knocked the TV over. I don't know why you watch me. I mean, I watch me too. This is fucking stupid, but whatever. Most of my shout out to Bellagio and everybody in the chat at the CHN Happening Network. You know, I'm trying to get some merch like y'all. I gotta make it my own. Look, I'm proud of this merch. Look at this merch. There's a lot of merch. It's made by me. And I just figure you should know that. I'm proud of it. And I said it once, I'll say it again. I'm proud of it. Huh. Alright, I gotta calm it down. Alright. Like, if this game's real good, then I'll step it up a notch and put y'all over there. But if it sucks, I'm gonna play something. I am not loading Duke Nukem Forever. It takes forever. I don't know if anybody's ever said that before, but I'm pretty sure it does. First of all, I gotta put my soundtrack up. That's my intro music. Oh, how's it going? Look, I got good eyes. I'm a glower. I hope not, but I'm pretty sure I'll be leaking sometimes. Alright, where's that stupid game at? Oh, that's Duke Nukem Forever. Where's it? Where's the? It's somewhere around here. Huh. I had it, I set it down, I got my set on something. Huh. Well, I wanted to play that game. So I'm gonna find it. Let me get it. Hey, if y'all know where I put it, press 1 in the live stream. And tell me. Well, there it is. Alright. I ain't never played this game, so, somebody said, Booty Lives Matter. I don't know, they're referring to this, so let's find out if it's any good. I think that's a great, I mean, I made a shirt with it, Booty Lives Matter, too. You know, I think that's a good, I don't know, I like booty. You like booty? No, you don't? Well, too bad for you. Anyway, let's see if this game's any good. If it takes some loading, it says it's one player. How can it be a fighting game with one player? Like, if I play online against everybody, is this a fight? What the hell is this? I fight zombies or something? I thought it was like a fighting game. I don't want to fight no zombies. Zombies are stupid. Have you ever seen zombies? They walk around like, hey, look at me, I'm a zombie. I'm like, yeah, that's dumb. Hey, man, this has got some initialize and load time, and we out back. I ain't playing this shit. Oh, I don't care who you is. I got other bad games to play. Now, I'm going to wait for it. I got to initialize and load and reload and other bad Metallica albums. I'm just going to have to wait a while. That means y'all got to wait. Oh, it's a chainsaw. It's chainsaw. Y'all see the chainsaw? It's doing stuff. Alright. Well, I guess I can go up here and cut this light off. See what happens. That's a fan. You motherfucker. Is that a better picture? I don't know. Get that glare off TV. Let's see what we got. Chainsaw. Happy Halloween. Chainsaw. Alright. Ain't loading. Alright, I don't have no idea. This is a game review. Hey, you got nice graphics. Look, it's all like graphic-y and stuff. Oh, Unreal Technology. Yeah, they got good game in it. Let's see what happens. Uh-huh. Autodesk. The fuck is that? Press start. Alright. Did it. No, I don't want to sign in. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing. Why they gotta ask me? Alright, I know what the damn PlayStation does. Hey, explain to me. Shake them, don't break them, or something. Well, what is this? The hell kind of game is this?
My bedroom. I hope things aren't me letting you in here is an invitation for any funny stuff. I mean, not that I have a problem with funny stuff.
What the hell are you talking about?
Especially not if you really like the person. But that isn't what I wanted to talk about. Today is, as they say in Spain, my cumpleaños. That's right, my birthday. I'm 18 today.
Feliz cumpleaños?
These are my girls on the San Romero cheer squad.
Alright.
We've gone to the Nationals 3 years in a row.
Hey, James Gunn's in the title.
To keep my energy up, I eat Lollipop.
Wonderful.
I know what you're thinking.
Yeah, high blood sugar.
No, that's
Lost music. Little Jimmy Urine.
so
That sounds horrible. What the? Who?
my family.
The hell is this crap?
My older sister Cordelia won a gold medal in riflery last year. And she has a lot of
Yaduri Yamaguchi.
things are college scouts. My little sister Rosalind just got her license, which makes me kind of think the DMV are idiots. My girlfriends say my dad is a total dilf. But try as they might.
What's a
they
dilf?
never come between him and
Oh,
me.
hell no.
He is so cool.
What the hell am I watching?
My sisters and I all wear our vaginas proudly.
Wear your vaginas, bro.
Love each other.
What the hell is this?
Speaking of true love,
Is that Chad?
is my boyfriend, Nick.
Oh, his name's Nick.
Me ask how much I really like him. My family's throwing a birthday party after school. Nick is totally freaked out having to meet my family for the first time. But I'm even more freaked
What
out
is this?
trying to find out about my family. Because even though they're the most amazing ever, some of our traditions are a little unusual.
Is this what a video game is? Like a bunch of storylines for nothing?
So sweet to never complain about my ginormous fat butt. If he finds out I'm the #1 world's biggest weirdo, he might not stick around. I'd be so sad. I think I'd seriously cry forever.
Literally cry forever.
No, I'm totally late. I was supposed to meet him before school.
You should eat more than just that one bite of toast.
So
That ain't
late.
nutritious. What the hell is this?
Mad. That's about the worst thing that could ever happen.
What, being late for school? Game start, options, Juliet's room, and difficulty. I just want to play the game. Load screen. What is it? Leapfrog over a zombie and cut it with a chainsaw. Leapfrog? You mean bunny hop? What the? Execute a sparkle hunting. Are you loading? How do you play this thing? Find a lot of music you like and make your own BGM album and my best music. I'll let you play the game. If you kill stronger zombies sparkle hunting, you will get a medal bonus. What is this? Mike Tyson punch out? How long am I gonna ride that bike? Leapfrog. Boom, get it. Jump. Ollie. Get it, boy, get it. Ollie. How you leapfrog? Hey, leapfrog, whoop. The hell is this? I didn't bunny hop any of them. Okay, got a chainsaw, that's kind of cool. Alright. Look at these polygons. What are you doing? Am I even playing the game? It was my birthday, but I didn't, like, do any of this shit. I smashed pumpkins. Like, well, when do I get to play the game? No, this game is douchebag. Like, I ain't played one game yet. Do I hit the buttons now? Am I doing anything? This is what video games are. I ain't doing nothing. Okay, you kick that. Your bad shot. And that baby? I haven't done anything. You got a kink? What the hell is this crap? I want to play the game.
So irritating.
Irritating? Can I play the game? No. Yeah, I want to play the game. Chainsaw something. Alright. Jump. Alright, cool. Chainsaw. And does it do anything? No. Is that Green Day? Alright. You gotta tell me to open a fence. Open the damn fence. What the hell is this crap? What up? Down? What is this? This is. Just open the fence. Just cut the fence. Why not? I ain't playing no video game. I'm watching a stupid movie. I ain't done shit yet.
Jeez, that's when things explode. I need to find this.
No, you don't. How to cook. No, all I need to know is how to, like, just get this up. So what the hell is this shit? Cancel. I want a zombie song. Cut him. Do something. Cut him. Cut him. Get him. Cut him. I'm hitting it. This isn't a game. What the? This is carpal tunnel. What is it? Zombie. I ain't doing anything. This is the worst beat 'em up ever. Look, I'm waiting for a storyline. What the hell is that shit? Just zombie it. Cut it. Do something. Zombie that thing. You know. Get it. Stop. Like, if this thing stops one more motherfucking time. Oh. Fuck that shit. Hey. Take it from me. This game sucks. I mean, I tried playing it. You saw me. I got pissed off in like 0.0 seconds. Storyline sucked. James Gunn, I don't think he's very cool. Like, this game sucks. I mean, I thought it might be titillating, but it's not. It's boring, and there's no gameplay. Like, I watched a bunch of movies. Like, we used to call it full motion video, FMV. And it sucked then, and it's sucking now. We need to pray about this. We gonna pray about this, because I feel a little bit unclean after playing this game. I mean, after I read the back of the book, I'm like, James Gunn? Whoa, what? And I saw this, and I'm like, huh. I'm gonna have to look up his tweets. Anyway, yeah, we gonna pray about this. I mean, I like the Jesus, so we don't do the Bible. We're gonna cure this game of all its problems. All right, Mr. God, what the hell going on? Mr. God says, Isaiah 64. When thou didst terrible things which we looked not for, thou camest down the mountain, flowed down at thy presence. For since the beginning of the world, men have not heard, nor perceived by the ear, neither hath the eye seen, O God, beside thee, what he hath prepared for him that waited for him. Over here we got Isaiah 66:19. And I will set a sign among them, and I will send those that escape of them unto the nations of Tarish, Pul, and Lud, that draw the bow, to Tabal and Javan, to the isles afar off, that have not heard my fame, neither have seen my glory, and they shall declare my glory among the Gentiles. I think Gentiles meant Goy. Yeah, Goy, woo! I guess thumbs up if you like this game. Okay, thumbs down if you like this game. I don't like this game. But I like the Bible. And the Bible said, Gentiles. Heck yeah. Alright, and that's it for right now. I'm going to play another game. Because this game, not so good. Love the Keckles, believe in Jesus. This game sucks. Look, I'm a gorilla. And this game sucks. Take it from me.